Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply for mortgage on Chase. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search www.chase.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on Chase website. Under choose what's right for you, there you'll see various options. Scroll from right to left and there you'll see the option of home loans. Tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of start online. Tap on it. Now scroll down and select whether you have started an application or not, and then select if you are a Chase customer or not. When you are done, tap on next. After that, you'll have to enter your personal details like your first name, middle name, last name, and your suffix. For identification, enter your date of birth and your social security number. Then enter your street name and zip code. At last, for your contact information, enter your email address and your phone number. If the information you have filled is correct, tap on the square box and after that select next. After you select next, this way you'll be able to apply for mortgage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.